Hey everyone, Deb here. I got a little bit of happy mail yesterday. I had received an Amazon box which had one thing in it for me, and the other one was a big Christmas present. It was a huge box, and so yeah, I got these. I think I got them on sale. Anyway, they're 0.7 millimeter gel pens, medium point, and I just wanted to try them. Somebody else said they liked them, and I do like Papermate. I have Papermate Flare that I use all the time in my planner. Yeah, I really like these too. So, and I use, like I said, I use them in my planner, but I thought maybe these would be pretty in the planner too and not bleed through. I just don't know. So I'll try them at some point, not today. And then I got two more Amazon packages. I'm like, I wasn't expecting anything else. Um, Now I have a YouTube friend, and her name is Left-Handed Crafter. She and I have known each other since around the time I started making videos in January 2017, so maybe shortly after that. So, and we are going to be doing excuse me, a collaboration in 2025. I don't know if she wants to really announce it yet, so I'm not going to tell you the title of it or anything, but these two books will be some of the books I use for in it, and she will use also, and she may use them more, but this one, I'm going to show you I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. This one is cute. I love this one though. Thank you, Left-Handed Crafter. You know. So look how cute these are. And I don't know the year, 2024. This is a new one. Wow. I think the other one might be older. Let me see. Because I was going to buy, no, it says copyright 2024 Blue Jewel Books. Why did I think these were older? Maybe I had something else in my cart that was older. Anyway, these are new. Relaxation. Yeah, sometimes I could use that. Bold and easy coloring book for adults. This is what the back looks like. Simple designs for stress-free coloring. Don't we love that? Ooh. Ooh, I like teapots too. Hmm. So, let's just do a quick flip through. I'm not going to do a detailed. Oh, it has inspirational things. Oh, that's a bonus coloring page from their inspirational coloring book. Awesome. And another one from their animals and flowers, which is this one. Cute. My brother is really into owls. And maybe I'll do one of those as a practice. And maybe I better not because A, I won't have time in December. Those are cute. Oh, so pretty. Gardening. Mandala. So I can even, if we don't I have to talk with her more. We're not quite set on how we're going to do the selection for the pages yet, but I don't want to color one on a off week and then have it be one that we were going to do together. That's kind of cool too. Almost like a quilt of flowers, daisies mostly. Another kind of mandala. Squirrel. Food. Sweet food. Tulips. Sea turtle. So cute. I like his face. That's a cute face. Swirly flowers, woo. Lemonade or orangeade or limeade. That's pretty. Sunset or sunrise. Butterflies. Brandy. Left-handed crafter is Brandy. Butterflies. Woohoo. Another mandala. I think we should do that in February or late January because, yeah. Lipstick and perfume. Candles. Hearts. Relax. Mushrooms. I just finished a mushroom page not long ago. Well, yeah. You'll see it next on December 9th. Froggy. I think Brandy likes frogs. Another mandala. Cacti. Home sweet home. Are these hibiscus? I am not good with all these flowers, but another lighthouse. Birdies. Love birdies. And cupcakes. And a koala bear. And relaxing. That's all about relaxation, right? In the hammock. Not sure why there's a heart smack in the middle of the hammock, but anyway. Okay, so that's that one. And then this one, when I just like leafed through it a little bit last night. This is so cute, and I love this one. Thank you, Brandy. Cute, cute. That's a panda bear. They have like flowers around them all. That's Flower, the skunk, right? Little giraffe, kangaroo, oops, peacock. I'm going to go with chipmunk on that because it has little stripes on its head. Baba. Moose. Moose. Just trying to think. Now that looks like a chipmunk. Okay, so then what is this one? All right. Maybe that's a groundhog because he's kind of fat. This is a chipmunk, I think, or a squirrel. An otter, I believe, or a weasel. I'm not sure. I think an otter. Puppy. Cow. Hippo. Foxy. Elephant. I like elephants. Hummingbirds, I love. Those flowers again. Oh, they're a little different. Can't remember the name of them. I know it, I just can't remember. Lion. Horse. Cute. Raccoon. Gwen, are you watching? Gwen the trash witch likes raccoons. I'm not sure what that is. Is that a fox too? I'm not sure. Tiger or kitty cat. Turtle. Chickie. Ducky, ducky. Another puppy. Parrot or some kind of tropical bird. Porcupine. Zebra. Monkey. Mousy. Goat. We should do that in January. Capricorn. That one is a, I was going to say beaver. That might be an otter too. I'm not sure. Hen, I think. Penguin. Oh, these are getting me. I'm going to go with squirrel on that one. I don't know. Bear. I'll get to practice fur. This is a good thing. Kitty cat. Aww. Pig. Puppy. Llama. Another toucan bird. Not, I was going to say another tropical bird, and it is, but toucan. Koala. Sloth, right? Sloth, yeah. And owl. Oh, there's another owl. And a rabbit. And oh my goodness, look at that one. That's like my favorite. You'd think the kitties would be. Is that another kitty cat? I think so. It is to me. I like that one. I like that one. They're all adorable, and the flowers, I can practice the fur, the feathers, the flowers, I just think it's so adorable. Oh, they have bows and blossoms also, and an inspirational coloring book, which is what they gave the sample of in, I guess it was that other book, yeah. This one, Let Your Spirit Soar. And this is an extra owl, so I might practice on that one if I, to get the feathers right or whatever. And then it's in here. There. Cute. So stay tuned. I guess we'll do an announcement closer to January on what we're going to be doing. And I hope you'll come by and see what we do each week. All right? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.